In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to opt out of personalized Google Ads. If you're looking to reduce how much Google tailors ads to your interests, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to adjust. In the top right corner of the page, click your profile icon. This opens a small menu. From there, select Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where all your settings live. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click Data and Privacy. This section controls how your information is used across Google services. Scroll until you find the area that relates to ads, and then click My Ad Center. This is where Google centralizes your ad preferences and lets you control how ads are personalized for you. Inside My Ad Center, look to the top right for a drop-down or toggle that controls ad personalization. Click the drop-down and choose Turn Off. When you do this, you're opting out of personalized ads based on your activity in your Google account. You'll still see ads, but they should be less tailored to your interests and more general or based on the context of the page you're viewing. A few notes to set expectations. Turning off ad personalization doesn't reduce the number of ads you see. It changes how they're selected. This setting applies to the account you're signed into, so if you manage multiple Google accounts, repeat these steps for each one. If you're using a work or school account, some settings may be controlled by an administrator, and you might see limited options. Also, personalization can work differently when you're signed out or browsing in a private window, so be sure you're applying this change while signed in to the correct account. If you don't see the My Ad Center option right away, make sure you're in the Data and Privacy tab and give the page a moment to load. Google occasionally updates the layout, but the Ad Center link remains under your privacy and ads controls. You can return here anytime if you want to review or adjust your choice later. And that's it. You've turned off personalized Google Ads for this account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider checking your other accounts to keep your ad experience consistent across devices.